The future of cloud computing and DevOps is undeniably exhilarating, marked by transformative trends that promise to redefine the technological landscape. As organizations increasingly embrace cloud technologies, the flexibility and scalability they offer are becoming essential for maintaining competitive advantage. The rise of serverless architecture exemplifies this shift, allowing developers to focus on writing code without the burdens of infrastructure management. This not only streamlines operations, but also paves the way for rapid innovation and cost efficiency. Equally compelling is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into these domains. By automating mundane tasks and enhancing predictive capabilities, AI tools can significantly reduce downtime and optimize system performance. This evolution empowers teams to allocate more time to strategic initiatives, fostering an environment ripe for creativity and growth. The adoption of multi-cloud strategies further amplifies this potential, enabling organizations to harness the strengths of various providers tailored to specific needs. This flexibility enhances resource allocation and minimizes costs, driving overall efficiency. Additionally, the advent of edge computing promises to revolutionize data processing, bringing it closer to the source and enhancing real-time capabilities. This is particularly vital for burgeoning sectors like IoT and smart technologies, where speed and responsiveness are paramount. At the forefront of these advancements is the concept of autonomous cloud operations. By leveraging AI to manage cloud lifecycles, organizations can minimize human error and elevate compliance standards, ultimately fostering greater trust in cloud solutions. This shift not only enhances operational efficiency, but also opens doors to new revenue streams and improved customer experiences. As we look ahead, the interplay between these innovations will shape the very fabric of software development and deployment. The question remains, which of these trends will have the most profound impact? The excitement lies in the possibilities, and the dialogue around them is just beginning.